In this video, I am going to walk you through how to enable virtualization on your Windows 10 or 11 system. This is essential if you are planning to run virtual machines using softwares like VirtualBox or Hyper-V. First, click on the search icon on your taskbar and then type in 10 Windows features, on or off. Once it pops up, click on it. A window will pop up called Windows Features. Scroll down until you find Virtual Machine Platform. Make sure this option is checked. If it's not already checked, go ahead and enable it. Once you are done, click on OK. Windows will start searching and applying the required files. Let this process complete. Once the changes are applied, you will be prompted to restart your system. After restarting, right-click on your taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Head over to the Performance tab and then click on it. Under CPU, you will see the current virtualization status. As you can see on my end, virtualization is still showing as disabled, but don't worry, that's about to change in the final steps. For this final step, let's enable virtualization inside BIOS. Restart your system once again. Before Windows loads up normally, you need to enter your BIOS settings. On my Toshiba laptop, the BIOS key is F2, but depending on your system's manufacturer, it might be F1, delete, escape or something else. Keep an eye out during startup for the correct key or check your PC's documentation. Once inside the BIOS, navigate to the Security tab or the equivalent on your system. On my end, the virtualization settings is at the Advanced settings. So I'll just have to click on the Advanced. Here, look for Virtualization Technology setting, which is the VTX. To enable it, simply press the appropriate key, usually F10, or enter to toggle the settings. Or if you can use the mouse pointer to change the settings, do so. Once you are done, make sure to save changes and exit. When prompted, confirm by selecting yes. Now let's verify if it's enabled. Once back on the desktop, right-click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Head to the Performance tab and click on it. Go to the Performance tab and under CPU. This time you will see that virtualization is enabled, and that's it. You successfully enabled virtualization on your Windows 10 or 11 system. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.